Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Qala Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, La nabiyya ba'di. La nabiyya ba'di. La nabiyya ba'di. This is a statement the Ahmadi Jamaat and their founder contradicts directly. Their prophet, the one they believe to be a prophet after Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he writes, मैं खोल कर कहता हूं कि वो शख्स लानती है जो आ हजरत सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के सिवा आपके बाद किसी और को नबी यकीन करता है और आपकी खत्म नबूवत को तोड़ देता है. I say, this is what Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani wrote, and this is written after 1901. This is written after 1901, and he's writing that I say it openly, that whoever claims that after the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam there is a prophet and he breaks the Khatmun Nubuwah, I say this, such a person who claims this, okay, is a lanati. May a curse be upon him. This is what your prophet said, and you claim him to be a prophet? How can there be a prophet after Muhammad Rasulullah when there are so many statements from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself? Oh Ali, you are to me like Harun was to Musa, but there is no prophet after me. If there was a prophet after me, it would have been Umar. If Umar could not be a prophet of Allah, how can Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani 13 centuries later be a prophet? And when you come back and say, I said this about Isa alayhi salam, you deliberately misquote me. I have said multiple times that once a prophet, forever a prophet, but he came as Rasulun ila Bani Israel. He came as Rasulun Bani Israel. His ministry ended when he ascended. His ministry to Banu Israel ended when he ascended, because then came Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam as a prophet to all of humanity. He was Rahmatul lil Alameen. He came as the last prophet. There is no prophet coming after him. There's no prophet. Those who came before him are before him. They are qabluhu, not ba'duhu. Okay, so Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam made it very clear. So you need to take a position. Over to him.